crazy thing, look at this. Owner's guide, Viper. I just did all that research trying to find out what alarm system it was. They got it on the manual, owner's manual, Viper alarm. That's the model right there. The whole time I was over there searching because it got so many different models of which keypad I might need. It ain't doing nothing. Hold the button. Just hold the button down.
Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
So I ain't tripping either way, man. They said basically when people put that Viper alarm on there, it be coming with the SmartStart, but people be like, they either have to put it in or not. So I guess
these wires here for.
Probably was never nothing. I never put nothing or took nothing out.
Your headlights work?
Yeah.
Whatever this is going down here.
That probably was before they changed them, maybe.
Yeah, these are different headlights in here.
Shorty said that motor was like 500 with all the accessories on it for the other truck. This motor got to be with nothing on it, probably $200.
300 with nothing on it, 500 with accessories.
Let's definitely need to get back out here, man. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Somebody in the comment section, man, told me my rim was the wrong rims for my truck, man. I think it's sitting good, man. They tripping. They tripping. Don't think it, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't been rolling. They done forgot how it look when it's coming down. Hey, but stay tuned, man. We got some slick things to come real soon, though, y'all. One step at a time, though, for sure.
I was like, most of them I done never seen. It got that little box under the old age.
This don't have it. Wait, what's this right here?
It should be somewhere, though. It's just probably rigged up somehow.
Like that little clear box?
Yeah. There you go. There's a fuse right there.
The main thing is for the alarm?
It's gotta be some other thing under here with a fuse on it.
Oh. You pulling it out or you just...
I'm trying to show you where it's at.
I'm looking. I can see it in my phone. I can't really get under there, though.
So that's the only thing under there with a fuse on it? That black box?
Yeah. He said when the alarm going off, turn the key 2 times and then hit that button and it should reset it. Then I was looking for another way to either hook up that SmartStart or to just disconnect the whole alarm from the truck. Either way.
So you had already had this one?
So when I won the truck, that was in the truck, but it wasn't connected to nothing. So I kept it, and then I looked it up to see what it was and found out that's what it is. That's how I work it on my phone. And now I need it. You know what I'm saying?
SmartStart, you know you had that?
No, tell me.
The thing on your phone, the app, you can control the app from your phone. DEI Viper SmartStart. You
Never
know,
seen or heard about it.
Okay, well that's the AID number. You can activate this, and you can do everything that your remote can do. Your phone can do.
Okay, bet. Oh, that's what that is. Okay, because it got the Viper on there. Okay, bet.
That's the jump. You can start it from your phone. You don't have to be within range.
I'm gonna have to look that up though. That's something I need to get into.
It's the best way to do that shit is to get it for the whole fucking year. It's outrageous, like $30 a month, or like $30 for 60 hits.
Oh, I gotta pay for the service.
It's a cell phone. It's a cell phone.
It's an actual phone.
That's a fucking phone. That communicate back to you. It's gonna tell you when anything happens to the truck. It's gonna send it to your phone instantly.
That okay.
Yeah. So that's what you paying for a service.
Yeah.
Basically. And then anytime you want to see the location of the truck, it's got the GPS on it. So every time you ping it, that's a ping.
Oh, okay. I'm still gonna check it out, man. I gotta see what's going on.
Yeah, it's like $30 a month if you do it that way, but they charge you like $75 for the year.
Makes sense.
I'm like, that shit is crazy. That's a big difference.
Yeah, because
Oh, you gonna jump it?
I'm just sitting here thinking about it. I was like, fuck, with my box Chevy, I wanna put an alarm on it.
Mm-hmm. See, what's crazy, last time you was out here, you was like, man, you got to look up this. You like this, because it's the only thing we seen with the alarm. But Directed, I thought it was just the name of the horn, but Directed is the people who make Viper alarm. And I got to look it up, but I looked at all the part numbers on that, and none of that stuff will pop up. But then I flipped it over and put in the SmartStart, and it showed me what it was and all that. So I should be able to program that joint. I thought I was going to use that to get a keypad, but I really should. That is the keypad if I could put it on my phone.
Yeah.
Hopefully, if it ain't cost a whole bunch. But if I could connect it and just see it's working in my truck, I'm gonna see how I go.
Cause last week I ran into a dude. He got a blue box Chevy, but he got an LS swap, side post and everything. He pulled to the gas station, and he said the only thing he done different to it since he got it back from Georgia. He put a brand new alternator on it and put a belt, and he got the digital dash, and his amp is putting out, it say 10.2. That's how much juice he's getting from his battery.
It's supposed to be 14 though, right? Yeah.
But I'm like, bro, you got a side post like your shit's dead. And he was like, how you normally start your car? He was like, I normally start it from my phone.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, you ain't got a remote for yours in. I called Kevin because I told Kevin he might need somebody to tow him from the gas station.
Today?
No.
Okay.
Probably 2 weeks ago.
You want me to put mine on first or no?
Nah, it's the short side.
What does short side mean? Like the teeth open less?
No, I'd have to see how.
Oh, okay. The open didn't know. Okay.
I got this side split because of where I was mine up. Well,
This got 2 batteries in it? The key in there.
you said turn on 2 times, do what?
They push the button up there. It says security button on that. Ain't doing nothing. Hold the button. Just hold the button down.
Hey.
You just did that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was trying to see.
For a second. Follow these wires right here. This is the side right here for the alarm.
Truth be told, we can really just click that for the noise, but the alarm's still gonna be going off though.
They spliced it into here. Where your alarm goes into here. One wire goes this way, the other wire goes inside.
You want to try to put it in a fuse?
Yeah.
You already got it?
Now I'm gonna put the battery back up so I can move the seat.
Move that seat back. Can't even get it. I got it. Need like a needle nose or something?
Nah, it's just in there tight.
Okay.
Nope, they didn't stop it.
Still going on. I'm gonna look at one more thing real quick because I got y'all here with me. Let me see. You did hear it stop though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not that fuse. All right. Turn it off. Disconnect it.
Still no little black box either, huh? Okay.
Probably.
Because it's like 3 different options, I think, or 3 or 4 different options that I can come up with. And really, I really don't care which one it is, though. Like whether it's the SmartStart or disconnect the whole alarm or whatever. You want me to hold that? Maybe there's a little power through there. Wow, man. Crazy thing, look at this. Owner's guide, Viper. I just did all that research trying to find out what alarm system it was. They got it on the manual, owner's manual, Viper alarm. That's the model right there. The whole time I was on there searching because it got so many different models of which keypad I might need. And what I might need, it might be in that book right there. But that's crazy, it's still in the car. And that's stamped on the back too, directed. 100 number. Directed store. I think that's the button you were just pushing right there. You wanted that to go off or no?
No, I'm trying to figure out how they got all this shit wired up in here first.
Okay, I just want to say if you want them to take the cable off or not. Let's see what's in this book though. Man, shout out to the previous owner and Mr. 75 Caprice for leaving this book in here. Let me know what's going on. Okay, that's Spanish. Battery information.
I gotta pull. You got a flathead screwdriver? Or fill up, excuse me.
This is the owner's manual, so I don't think it'll tell you how to install it. It just tell you how to work it while you got it.
It looks like it might have a whatchamacallit, like a little plug-in right here.
Mm-hmm.
This in this bundle.
It should have the numbers to the model and all that on it if it's related to the damn system. They got it taped up real tight up in there.
Oh yeah, they just put that motherfucker in there the right way.
Yeah. No, go ahead, straight. Or at least I could take this model number right here to a music shop or install shop. They might have a keypad for this that I can program to this.
Oh, probably Best Buy.
Best Buy to buy a keypad, and then it should be able to program to the one that's already in here. I know they said Amazon. I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if it's something on there, but the ones I seen, most of them that I seen online was about 100, up to about 2. I see that clear box right there that y'all was talking about y'all looking for. Did y'all see that?
Bro, what the hell is this toggle switch for?
Man, some of them switch. I don't know. I don't think I ever knew, because there's 2 more right here. I don't know what these ones go to either. I think they go to the radio, the deck, like to switch to the TV. One of them do, but that one right there, I don't know nothing about.
Hit the, look at it right quick.
Which one?
The alarm. That'd be fucked up if you put a toggle switch on the alarm.
The only thing about that is I never had an issue because I always had the alarm.
Nope.
Yeah, I don't know what that goes to. Crazy that you even found it down there though.
Haha.
What's that? Found it.
Oh, a bunch of shit down here that I'm finding.
What you were saying about that clear box though, Bama?
Um,
Because I do see a clear box right here. I don't know if that's what you was talking about or you
yeah,
didn't.
I was saying that clear box might be the little whatchamacallit,
Oh, okay.
the power tool.
But you seen the one in here, or you know it's a clear box that do exist, is what you're saying?
You see, like,
Because I do see one. Is that the one you said you seen already?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
okay.
I'm saying. And then it got like another one with like a little power button over here.
You got a knife on you, Bam?
No, I broke that motherfucker at work trying to get through a door.
I'm gonna cut this box off right quick.
I
It's got a
see it got
reset.
zip ties on there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's got a reset button on it.
Oh, I can turn it this way and see the name on it. Let me see. Is that directed sound? Double. It says shock sensor.
Huh?
It says double guard shock sensor. I just flipped it around to where you can read it.
So like if you download the app, you can enter these little codes, and whichever one is convenient to yours, you can set it on your phone.
But we don't know which code it is.
I'm thinking if I bought a remote keypad, that's that model. Can you program it while the alarm going off, or would the alarm have to be off for it for you to be?
You got to program it while it's going on.
That might be I'm gonna take that model today if I can't get no luck right now and see what's going on with it.
See, that's just it. I don't see no little red wire that comes in on the speaker.
You need to trace it down on the firewall for you. That way if I'm moving on the outside, you should feel it or see it underneath.
Just wire is skinny too. But maybe it's not red under here. What I was thinking, maybe the wire ain't red under the tape. You know what I mean? Maybe it's only red going up into there.
Kevin, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. But them should be the ones to the lights.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Those go to there.
Oh, so the alarm probably one of these cords. I went to installation. They say, due to the complexity of the system, installation of this product must be performed by an authorized directed dealer. If you got any questions, contact them. No pictures, no nothing.
Well, that would make sense why we can't find the fucking black and red wire. Why is what?
It's not black and red down there.
No.
I just told him, I said, I think it's a different color up
It's
under the
purple
tape.
and brown.
I just said, I promise it's probably a different color under the tape, man. Wow.
Yeah. Purple and brown.
Wow.
Now we're looking for a purple and brown wire. Which now is down to a fucking a shit ton.
Yeah, I just put that book in my pocket. I'm finna, that's the kit right there. We're gonna get it stuff. We're gonna get it together.
So technically, we can disconnect this from there. That was spliced in to the alarm. So we can just disconnect the alarm.
So the alarm was going into the power right there? Yeah.
Just
That's cool.
disconnect the alarm.
I think we should have the power on it first to see if it's the actual alarm or the horn.
This is the horn. They
Yeah.
powered it into something else.
Mm-hmm.
Because, yeah. SmartStart.
Nothing. But the alarm's still going off, I think. Because I hear, like, I got the key for it. I can hear stuff going on. I think the horn's just not going on.
Yeah, the horn's not going on.
But the alarm still is.